Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my cheese straw. It's a very simple recipe, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up, and you can leave a comment down below. So let me just show you guys my ingredients. So here's my ingredients. You could be using some cheese, mustard, pepper, 1 cup of flour, some room temperature butter, some Wiri pepper. I cut it up fine and took out the seed, and 3 cloves of garlic. And this we'll be using to spread out the cheese straw in the pan. So let's get started. So I'm gonna put in my cheese. Check the description box down below and you'll see how many cheese I put in. I'm also going to be putting in my butter. There's enough butter here. And I'm going to whisk it up together. I'm going to whisk it up together till it's combined together. Okay, I done mix up the cheese and the butter with the hand mixer. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of mustard. I'm going to put in my 2 eggs. I'm going to put in my Wiri pepper and my garlic. And my garlic here, and then mix it up together. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything up together. So what I'm going to do now is put in my flour, my 1 cup of flour, and mix it up together. So this is the cookie presser here. So I'm going to put the stuff in here, and okay guys, I'm putting the cheese mixture in the pan here to bake. It's gonna bake for about 10-15 minutes. Just keep watching at it. This cookie press is giving me a hard time because it breaks, so I'm not getting the cheese straw to come out how I want it to come out, the shape, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna make these like this. I'm also using the Anchor cheese. A lot of people use the other yellow cheese, but I'm using the Anchor one. So the cheese straw mightn't come out like how it's normally come out. The color, it might be a little lighter, but it's still cheese straw at the end of the day. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it in the oven now to bake about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll check it back in 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is my last set of cheese straw I'm making here. This is the last set here. So see, this damn shiny thing I buy, it's not working properly. It keeps coming out from the top and at the bottom. And this is the second one I bought. I bought one yesterday and it broke. Now I buy this one, same problem. I gotta get somebody to bring a good one for me from overseas, because these shiny things with the sun here don't work good at all. Anyhow guys, I'll show you the finished product when it's finished. Okay, so when you take it out of the pan, you leave it to cool for about 10 minutes and then you put it on the cooling rack. I'm not so happy with the shapes, but it's cheesy, it's tasty, and that's the main thing. I'll show you the end result when I finish my plate. Okay guys, this is the end result for my cheese straw. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. The cheese straw tastes great, but like I said, the only thing is that my cookie presser, both of them broke, so it wasn't working properly, so I didn't get the right shape that I wanted to get. But anyhow, it still tastes good. It's crunchy, it's nice, it's delicious, it's cheesy, and my kids love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. So thank you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.